Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Josh's Tech Bites. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cooler Master's MasterFan SF360R ARGB. Alright, so this is three 120 millimeter fans all in one case. This is perfect for radiators, or if you just need, or if you just have a spot in your case where you need three fans all together. It's going to have one cable for powering the fans, and it's going to have one cable for your ARGB, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Alright, so in the box itself, you're going to have an RGB controller, you're going to have the fans themselves, and you're going to have some power cables. So most of us are not going to need the ARGB controller. Most of our motherboards already have that on them, but if you do, that's included, and it's a nice touch. So here are the fans right here. The fans are clear in color, they're not white. They do have the LEDs actually in the center of the fan. So you're going to have your outtake on this side with the shroud, and then you're going to have your intake here with the open side of the fan. So just know that whenever you're mounting the fan. So I'm going to power these up, and we're going to see what the airflow is like, and see what maybe the RGB on the fans look like as well. So I've just got a spare power supply I'm using, and I'm going to use it to power these fans. I won't have variable control, so the fans will be full blast. So we'll feel what the air pressure is like coming off the fans. Alright, so we're going to turn them on now and see what it's like. RGBs are in the center of the fans. So if you mount it this direction, you're going to see the lights themselves, but if you turn it over, it looks a lot better from this side as far as the RGB lighting goes. They're not as bright as I'd hoped they'd be, but they do give off a nice effect, and you can't really beat it for the price. Airflow is really good. They're very quiet, and I don't know if you can hear the airflow. You can probably hear a little bit coming towards the camera, but the fans are very quiet even at full speed. Now I'm sure that's gonna change when you got a radiator or something, the way of it that it's having to pull air through or push air through. It's probably gonna get a little noisier than that, but I am really impressed with how quiet these are and actually how much air that they're pushing. Like, I'm feeling a good breeze coming off these fans, just holding it this close to my face. But yeah, these are definitely going to cool anything that you need them to. So you can definitely see that they look a lot better from this side versus this side. I believe when I mount the fans, in my case, I'm going to mount them this way, so that the way that you see is this way. The colors just disperse more, and I don't like seeing those individual LEDs coming into the fans. So yeah, that's how I believe I'm going to mount them. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one, but I really just wanted to unbox these fans and show them to you, and maybe some of you out there are already using these. If you are, let me know in the comments below what you think about them, if they've been good fans, if you had problems with them, any issues that I may want to know about, and we'll see you in the next one.